Hello there, everyone. So today I got a package in the mail, and I got some Series 19 minifigures, but it's a big box for the little amount that I got. So let's just unbox it right now. All right. Got one, and we got two. And so yeah, I only ordered 2 minifigures, but that's all right. So let's just get right into the first one, and then I'll probably review it too. Gotta open it good. All right, I'm gonna dump it out if I can. And all right, there we go. Oh no, I know who I got. I didn't mean oh no in a bad way, but this is amazing. Like I was like, no way. All right, so we got the what do you call it? The rubber duck and shower man. See if I can open it. There we go. All right, I'll build it and I'll have it ready for you. All right, so here he is. He comes with the green rubber ducky and a comb for his hair. And man, this guy is amazing. I really like this figure. Let me try to fix the light. And whatever. All right, so here he is, looking pretty nice. There's a back of him, and then he does have another face. And yeah, I did not expect that. I really like this minifigure. I never thought I would get him though, so that's pretty cool. On to the next. All right, let's open this. I'm gonna try to open this better than the other one. And I did. I think I know who I got. Yeah, I got the monkey. What is he, like a king? Monkey king, maybe? Alright, let me build him, and then I'll show you guys. So here's the Monkey King all built. Looks really cool. Really nice printing. And just, yeah, it's really cool. Comes with this nice cape. And then his like rubber tail, and then he has dual motive legs, and then he comes with a staff. He also has 2 faces, show you that, and then he comes with a few extra pieces too. So yeah, that's cool. So here are the 2 minifigures that I got from the Series 19 packs, and these guys are really cool. I did not expect these guys at all. And I'll probably be picking up a few more of these. And yeah, I really like these guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And stay tuned for the next video. And like, subscribe, and comment for more. Peace out.